Alright, pay attention. This is how you go about the Oasis AI registration. Alright, so you just copy the link and paste it on your what is it called, on your Mises browser or your Kiwi browser. Alright, so you can choose to use the desktop view. Alright, so go ahead, provide your email and your password. Alright, so I just completed my registration. Alright, so the link will be sent into your email. So go ahead, copy the link and paste it here. Alright, so just paste it on the same browser so you will get this page. Right, so immediately you get this page, the next thing to navigate is to click on, you see navigate, right? So just go ahead, click navigate, then you see extension, so go ahead, click on here, add it to your extension. Right, so you just go ahead, click add to extension. Okay, add to extension. Right, so it's going to be included to your extension. Remember, for you to add extension, you have to log in into your Gmail. In case your Gmail is not logged in, right, make sure you log in into your Gmail so that you'll be able to download extensions for your app. Right, so now I've installed the extension. So the next thing to do now is to go back to that extension. Right, you can see it here. If you are using a Mises browser, if you are using a Kiwi browser, just click on here, then you scroll down, you'll see it among your extension. Alright, so let's click on the Oasis. Okay, say login. Alright, so you go ahead and you log in. You can just provide a name here. Alright, desktop gaming PC. So you can just put in any name here. Alright, subscribe. So you can put your own any name that you wish. Just put it and connect. Successfully connected. Alright, then you next thing to do here is to complete your task. Just click on here. Alright, you can see it here. Click on it. This is where you get your referral code. This is your referral code. Alright, so click on here to complete task. Alright, so here that's credit to complete your available task. Alright, so for those using PC, you can also download the extension for your PC. Alright, so you just click on credit, then you click on verification. So you just go ahead, verify your email first. That's the first thing to do, verify. Alright, so you can see the points. I just claim 100 points because I've verified my email. The next thing to do is to claim 500 points by connecting your Twitter. Alright, you go ahead and click on the settings, security settings. So it will take you to a board where you connect all your social handles. So you just go ahead and connect your Twitter, connect. Alright, as you can see, I've connected my email, I've connected my Twitter, and I've also connected my Discord. So you just go ahead, just few clicks and you are done. So you go ahead, you claim that, you close that page. Right, you close that page. All these are not necessary. Close the page. Alright, so you go back to this very page where you are connecting. Alright, so you can claim now. Let me claim that for Twitter. You can see I've just received extra 500. Let me connect my, let me claim my, connect your Discord account. So you go ahead, you connect your Discord so as to follow them. Alright, okay, go back. Sorry, just click on view status. I've claimed extra points. Alright, here they said update your referral code. So you just go ahead and click referral. Okay, view. Just click on referrals. Alright, then you click here to edit. Then you just change the code there. Just put in your preferred username that has not been used. Okay, let me hear you subscribe. Then I go and save. Click this arrow to save. You can see it has been saved successfully. Then you go back and you go and review, and you've claimed the point. Alright, so we've successfully claimed 1.6 thousand points. Alright, so we'll now go back to objectives. Alright, so this objective, we also claim additional points. You can see 1,000 points for the X. So if you follow them on X, you claim additional 1,000 points. So you just try to follow them on X. Follow. Then you close this, and you click on it, and then you verify. After you've done the task, we've claimed the additional 1,000. Here they say join Oasis, that's the Discord. So you just go ahead, click on the Discord to take you to your Discord account. Alright, so I know the video will be a little bit lengthy, but I just have to do it so as to guide everyone circumspectly. Alright, so you just go ahead and you follow them on their handle. So it's a step-by-step tutorial. Alright, so just bear with us, and next thing to do is to make sure you complete your. Okay, let me drop a message here. Alright, so you just click on the icon here. Alright, click on the icon here, then you go and allow direct messages, just turn it off. Alright, turn it off. Then you go to all those here. You can just choose to just drop a message there. Alright, so go back to the task and see if it has been done. Alright, let's try to claim. I will just claim additional 1,500 points. The next to do is to add this to your boat. So you just go ahead, click on it. Then you just click add to my app. Then authorize. Once you authorize successful, you can go back. Alright, you can go back, then you claim the points. Alright, then the next thing to do, I think these two tasks are actually brewing. Right, they are brewing. There is no button yet to claim it. Alright, so for now we'll just be following subsequently for more updates. We have been able to claim 6.1k points. So that's how you keep on doing it. This one you can only get 10% of your referral, so you can refer. As you refer, you get 10%, alright, of their credits. So I wish you all good luck, and I believe this video was able to guide us step by step on how the project works. So just make sure you are following my handle on Telegram and also on WhatsApp, my WhatsApp community, so as to get subsequent updates in regards to any new development or feature that is being integrated on the project, or if there's anything you have to do to level up, alright, your chances for the airdrop. I'll keep on updating us in regards to this project. Alright, please like, share, and also comment on the video.